There it is.
Oh,
See
I
there?
see it.
Boop.
Maybe it's an osprey.
It's a pretty beetle.
That's an osprey.
It's less than half an inch long.
Because it's got such a white underbelly. Yeah, that's an osprey.
Shiny, bluey green.
Yep.
At Mayaca River State Park in Florida.
He'll come over and let you see his white umbrella. See if he's got a number on it.
Okay.
We're at the Birdwalk, so there's a lot of cool people that know a lot of different
He's got
things.
good eyes, man. You can see the,
Talking in the
you can see the
background.
tag
Yeah.
on his leg.
Well, I want to know what all those little short